Hi friends, welcome to Navra Kitchen. Today I am preparing pan pizza. If you don't have oven, then no need to worry. You can prepare this tawa pizza and it will be as delicious as the pizza prepared in oven. Let's start the procedure. Take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida, in a bowl. Add half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, and half teaspoon sugar. Mix all the dry ingredients. Now add 1/4 cup of curd and give a mix. Now add water little by little and make a soft dough. Finally add teaspoon oil and knead the dough. Finally coat the dough with little oil, cover with lid and allow it to set for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, again knead the dough. Divide the dough into portions. Now dust the surface with some flour, place the dough and start rolling it. Roll it little thick as shown here. Dent the edges using fingers all over the flattened dough. Using fork, prick at the center. This is to prevent puffing up. Now take the tawa and heat it. Place the pricked portion down towards the tawa and cook until it turns little brown. Once it turns brown, remove it and now brush the entire pan with the oil. And place the pizza base in such a way that the pricked portion is on the top surface. Here we will apply all the toppings. Reduce the flame and add all the toppings. First I am applying pizza sauce. For homemade pizza sauce recipe, please check the link in my description box. Now top it with the grated cheese. Next add onion petals and chopped capsicum slices and also sliced tomatoes. You can add veggies of your own choice. You can add mushrooms, corn. Add chilli flakes and little chilli powder according to your spiciness. Add little salt. Brush the edges with little oil. Cover with lid and cook for about 7 to 8 minutes until the cheese melts and the base turns little brown. Our yummy cheesy pizza is ready to serve. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.